Election integrity, right? A political buzzword or phrase, actually, that we've heard since the 2020 election, and something certain candidates in Idaho used as the foundation of their campaign recently. Most of the claims are based on conspiracy theories, however, with really no link to reality. But if you want to avoid that becoming an issue again, well, it's best to get out ahead of those claiming fraud. Ada County is just one of those, or is one of those counties that is doing just that, and they're rolling out a new product for tomorrow's election. Cages, which are self-contained voting precincts. Previous elections, it was up to the chief judges of each precinct to protect the integrity and security of the ballots and the voting equipment. Well, Ada County Clerk Trent Triple shows off this new idea.
We've designed these cages to be able to fit through a standard door, but it contains all of the equipment required to run a polling place, to include the voting booths, all the printers, all the equipment, and now all of the ballots, as you can see on the top, the ballot boxes. So these will be prepped by us in-house. We'll lock them. They have locks on the outside. The chief judges will have keys. Now these get delivered directly to the precincts, and the chief judges will now open them up and be able to set the whole process up. So these will contain everything except the ballots and the machines that are the scanners, the precinct scanners.
And then at the end of the night, the chief judges are going to hand deliver those cages with all the stuff back inside, back to the Ada County Elections Office for the ballots to be counted. At that point, yes, those ballots will be included in that. Those cages, though, they also have a GPS tracker attached to them, so they can make sure where they are at all times. The cages, they're being built locally. There are only about 20 of them so far, so not all the precincts are going to have these tomorrow, but the hope is in the future, for future elections, they're going to use them all across the county.